We are Team Arnima from Single Family Housing Typology. As we all know, the three essential aspects for a human living are food, clothing, and shelter. But due to the rapid urbanization and concretization in today's context, shelter is the most neglected part of human living, affecting the health and well-being of human and surrounding environment. This makes us understand the importance and need of traditional vernacular architecture. To cater to this need, we are proposing ideal net zero single family housing with a blend of vernacular architecture in Thiksay village of Leh due to the advantages such as fascinating vernacular architecture and living comprises of small housing units. The users are mostly farmers with a sustainable lifestyle. A sudden rise in the demand of housing due to the change in government norms has created an economic opportunity in terms of market potential. But Leh being a cold desert region, there are also some problems faced like thermal comfort, water scarcity issues, electricity problems, resilience issues, and concretization making a shift in market potential. These issues are solved by providing efficient strategies and innovations like compact planning, larger openings on south side, earth berming, symbiotic heat gain, sun space, insulated wall and roof. Active strategies like radiant heating and Bukhari with biogas. A temperature difference of 24 degrees Celsius between indoors and outdoors is achieved. To overcome the water scarcity issue and to cater the annual water demand of 180 kiloliter per household, dry toilet is used which reduces the water demand by 17%. About 85% of generated grey water is circulated through root zone filtration system, which is also known as reed bed system. Ice stupa is used to overcome the water scarcity issue at regional level. Leh has an unusual electricity supply. We generate 85% energy with the help of biogas and 15% with solar panels. Also, the use of net metering to give the extra energy to the grid. The region receives an average earthquake of magnitude per year. To tackle this issue, pier beam system is applied and is enhanced by providing horizontal and vertical wooden bands. Lightweight materials like CSEB blocks and wooden members are used to reduce the dead load. Due to the shift in construction market towards the RCC structure, we aim to preserve and promote traditional market with the use of locally available materials like stone, wood, and the waste wool reused from the Pashmina industry for the insulation. This will also reduce the transportation cost and generate economy for local masons. By overcoming the problems, we have tried addressing the 10 contest and have made the desired requirements. By proposing this net zero single family housing, we are promoting and preserving the traditional vernacular architecture of Leh, which will be affordable and can be replicated into various regions of Leh and Ladakh with some modifications, thereby increasing the market potential and economy. We thank Solar Decathlon India, our project partner, industry partner and lead institution.